If your grades aren't where you want them to be, it's probably not because you're lazy or not smart. Most students are making the same 3 mistakes, and they don't even realize it. Let's fix that. Mistake 1. Rereading instead of retrieving. Most students study by rereading notes, slides, or textbooks. But rereading doesn't teach your brain anything new. It just makes the page look familiar. Real learning happens when you pull information out, not when you stare at it. If you want your GPA to go up, switch from rereading to active recall. Cover the answer, ask yourself the question, and explain it out loud. If you can't explain it, that's the part you study. Mistake 2. Studying everything at once. Cramming feels productive until the test. Your brain can't store a semester's worth of information in one night. The fix is spaced repetition. Study it once, come back the next day, then again a few days later. Each time you return to it, your brain strengthens the memory. This is how you turn, "I kind of get it," into "I know this cold." Mistake 3. Copying notes instead of understanding. A lot of students rewrite notes because it feels like studying. But copying information doesn't mean you understand it. Instead, break concepts down into simple, short explanations, even 3-word summaries. If you can simplify it, you understand it. If you can't, you don't yet. Understanding beats memorizing every single time. The fix: a system that actually works. If you want a deeper, step-by-step breakdown of how to study in a way that actually works, not just try harder, I made a video that walks through a full, repeatable system for making straight A's in almost any subject. And if you want to make the whole process even easier, Note Junkie can help you. It makes learning so much easier. It takes the pressure off so you can focus on understanding, not juggling everything at once. Check out this video on the screen to learn how to start studying in a way that finally makes sense.